Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to troubleshoot DKIM in Outlook. So, step number 1, gather diagnostic information. Examine email headers. Send an email from your domain to an outlook.com address and view the message headers. Locate authentication results. Find the authentication results header to see the DKIM status and any associated failure reasons. Use DMARC reports. If available, review your DMARC reports from Microsoft, as they provide detailed insights into why DKIM signatures are failing. Step number 2, verify DNS records. Check DKIM records. Ensure your domain's DKIM record is correctly published in your DNS settings. Check SPF records. Verify your SPF record is accurate, as incorrect SPF records can lead to emails being marked as spam. Use DKIM or DNS validators. Use online tools to check the syntax and configurations of your DNS records. Step number 3, consider DNS propagation. Allow time for updates. When you update your DNS records, allow sufficient time for the changes to propagate across the internet before testing them. Step number 4, avoid content changes post signing. Prevent intermediate changes. Ensure that no other services, such as security tools or forwarding services, are altering the email content after it has been signed with DKIM, as this invalidates the signature. And lastly, step number 5, check alignment and keys. Align domains. Ensure there is proper alignment between the from address domain and the DKIM signing domain. And monitor key rotation. Regularly rotate your DKIM keys, ensure they are not expired. That's it. Thanks for watching.